All right, we got snow here in southeastern Ohio. We don't get a bow hunt in snow very much, so I'm kind of excited to get out. Ethan,
Gang, gang.
he's coming out. We're both going to try to double up some does. I think we're going to hunt together just because it's more fun. But we're going to go out there. I'm going to let Ethan shoot first. He's wanting to get something in the freezer, and I can. He's a big duck hunter. He's wanting to duck hunt in the morning, and I can go back out and get a doe in the morning if I don't get one this evening. So we're going to head out and try to get a couple does.
What up?
So we'll see you guys in the tree. Hello, chickens. Jaxie. Ethan.
My name's Jeff.
Go and get us a snow hunt in. Make sure you hit it off every limb. You're doing great. Don't let anybody tell you different. Try to get us one here in the snow. Ethan, are you gonna smoke a doe?
Hey, bud, I got no excuses until this time.
Yeah. We're gonna smoke one, and hopefully we'll smoke two. Okay. And we might die in the process.
Oh, yeah. Probably need to tighten that up. Hey, gang, gang.
Gang, gang. think it was on our wind?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Did you feel it swirl?
No, I didn't feel a swirl.
It kicked. She got our ground set there where we walked in. Luckily that other one came in. I kind of had there was one limb that was stopping me, and I had to crouch down to shoot her. Actually, when that one took off, she turned perfect broadside for me. And
did you see her crash? I don't know if I got on the right deer or
yeah,
not.
I seen her crash.
Okay, because I followed the deer all the way down there, but it could have been the other one.
She rode down the hill, but I think I hit her double lung for sure.
Yeah, it was a good shot.
I hit her a little behind because I was really kind of scared she's gonna take off. I know this sounds like an excuse, but I was kind of scared she took off. So when I knew, I didn't aim small. You aim small, you miss small. But I just wanted to get that double lung, so I didn't really focus on tucking it up underneath the shoulder. When I got it in the kill zone, I let her fly.
Let her fly.
I was gonna be happy today.
Gang, gang.
Gang, boys.
Okay, so you guys will see how the story unfolded there, but Ethan shot his. We stayed in the tree in case it's because I brought my bow with me. Big group does come in. I couldn't. They were in front of us for a while, but I couldn't get a shot because there's too many eyeballs. One was looking at me just about all the time. Anyway, a coyote came in here, chased them all off, and we seen where Ethan's doe crashed over there. And now you can't see it on the camera because it's too low light. He's about 100 yards away, but he's over there trying to drag that doe off. So we're gonna get down out of the tree and go save our deer.
Gang, gang. There, look there. Right there, he drug her right there.
Yeah, so we said we could see the coyote dragging her from the tree. Obviously, you can tell she was dead right here, but coyote drug her all the way down to there.
Ate her guts out.
Ate her guts out, yeah. He was probably up here when we got in the woods. We ran him off. Oh, yeah, coyote was working on her. Well, I don't know how much of that we can put on YouTube, but I'll keep it for my own personal content. We got her, bud. You got your loins.
Yeah, what up, huh? Gang, gang.
Gang, gang. All right, we're back. We got the doe here, and he already quartered her up, and he's going to take her home and do the final processing there. But we, of course, you've seen on the video, we had a coyote drag her around a little bit and tear her up pretty bad, but I guess we saved her before it was a total loss. But anyway, you got anything to say, Ethan?
Oh yeah, man, listen, I had a pretty good day, I ain't gonna lie. I had a pretty good duck hunt this morning, and I was blessed enough to come over here. Jeff let me hunt at his place. He's got a bunch of does over here. I know y'all don't like to see a whole lot of, doe hunts, but to be able to hunt in the snow and be able to spend time with Jeff out there. And not only that, it was probably one of the most action-packed hunts I've had this year. Between the doe getting our scent and everything working out there, because as you know, it usually don't work out, to the coyote coming in. And I didn't get good footage of it on camera, but if you're in the stand, we got to experience her dragging the deer, or him dragging the deer off, and so that was pretty cool. As you know, when a coyote comes in, it goes from deer hunt to yo hunt. But God really blessed us today. That's all I can say. He showed us some beautiful land, showed me some ducks this morning, and was able to fill the freezer this evening. So I appreciate Jeff letting me come out here, and Mama, I'm a killer.